Welcome to Sweet Life Beet Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook sprouted beans. First, rinse your sprouted beans thoroughly under cool, running water for about 30 seconds. Inspect them carefully for any discoloration or an unusual odor. Discard anything that doesn't look or smell fresh. This critical step ensures cleanliness and prepares them perfectly for the next stage. Proper preparation is key to a delicious and healthy meal. For steaming, place the beans in a steamer basket over 1 inch of boiling water, covering them tightly. Steam for 5 to 10 minutes until they reach your preferred tenderness, maintaining a slight bite. Alternatively, you can boil them. Simply add the beans to a pot of rapidly boiling water. Cook for 10 to 15 minutes or until very soft, then drain completely. Once cooked, sprouted beans are a blank canvas for flavor. A drizzle of olive oil, a pinch of sea salt, and some freshly ground black pepper are simple yet effective additions. For more depth, sauté some minced garlic and diced onion before adding the beans. Fresh herbs, such as chopped parsley or cilantro, stirred in just before serving, will add a wonderful, vibrant finish. To store your delicious cooked sprouted beans, allow them to cool completely, then transfer them into an airtight container. They will keep fresh in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. For longer storage, freeze them for up to 3 months. These versatile beans are excellent additions to salads, hearty soups, or even as the base for homemade veggie burgers, offering a nutritious boost to any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.